Welcome to episode 27. Agent, asynchronous state, fire and forget updates. An agent is like an atom, but the update runs on a background thread. You call send. The agent queues your function. Your caller returns immediately. Perfect for logging, metrics, anything you don't want to wait on. A logger agent, a vector of entries that gets appended asynchronously. Start the REPL. Load the namespace. At logger, empty vector. Send queues conj on the agent thread. It returns the agent object immediately. Read back. The entry landed. The conj ran on the agent thread. Logbang is just a wrapper around send. Fire 2 more entries, no waiting. Await blocks until all pending sends from this thread have completed. All 3 entries are in. Five more sends in a tight loop, everyone queued immediately. After a wait, all 5 are there, in order. Control D. CLJ-M:"run. Main logs 4 entries, then hammers 1,000 async sends. All land. Quick recap. An agent holds one value, read with @sign, update with send. Send queues a function on the agent thread. It returns immediately. Sends from the same thread run in order. Await blocks until they finish. Next up, future and promise. Thanks for watching episode 27. Fire and forget state. That's what agents give you. Next, episode 28. Future and promise.